Let's talk about saving money on your next bus trip because, honestly, who doesn't love a great deal? Bus travel is already budget-friendly, but with a few smart tricks, you can stretch your dollar even further. First up, book early. Many bus companies release their cheapest fares when schedules first open, so planning ahead really pays off. Those rock-bottom prices don't stick around long, so grab them while you can. Now, here's a little secret. Travel off-peak. Avoid weekends and holidays if possible. Those are the busiest and priciest times to travel. Instead, aim for weekdays or less popular time slots, and you'll likely score a much better price. Speaking of deals, have you checked for discounts? Many carriers offer special rates for students, seniors, and military personnel. Just don't forget your ID to prove you qualify. It's such an easy way to save a few bucks. And here's a pro tip. Sign up for email newsletters and social media. Bus companies love to share their best offers with loyal customers. Flash sales, promo codes, you'll be the first to know. If you travel often, consider enrolling in bus companies' reward programs. The points add up quickly, and before you know it, you'll be redeeming them for discounted or even free rides. Who doesn't love free travel? Now, if you're flexible with your travel dates, you're in luck. Use tools like Busbuster to compare ticket prices across a few days. Sometimes just shifting your trip by a day or two can make a huge difference. And if you're traveling with friends or family, look for group discounts. It's a win-win when everyone saves together. Also, don't forget to compare routes and carriers. Busbuster make this super easy by showing you all your options in one place. And sometimes, choosing an alternative pickup spot, like a curbside stop instead of a major terminal, can help you save too. Finally, consider flexible tickets. Yes, they might cost a little more upfront, but if your plans change, you won't have to buy a whole new ticket. It's a little extra peace of mind. With these tips, you'll have more cash left over for your bus trips. Safe travels!